Welcome to PTI BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. This creative writing session will be on essay writing. Writing essays is a process that should be very straightforward to you. When given a composition, you should know that you are required to have three main parts. The first part that you would be required to write is your introduction. Think of an introduction as though you are introducing yourself. When you meet someone for the first time, you give them the basic information about yourself, and that would therefore pique their interest to learn more about you. It's the same process with introductions in your composition. You are going to introduce your topic, but you are not going to give away all the information required on it. You have to ensure that your introduction piques the interest of your reader. This means that you have to write an introduction that will make your reader want to read further. So, for example, if your topic is my favorite subject and you have an introduction which tells me everything about your favorite subject, I do not want to read anymore. However, if your introduction simply introduces your favorite subject, for example, your favorite subject is mathematics, then I will want to read further to find out why. In the body of your essay, you need to make sure that each paragraph you write talks about a separate idea. This helps you to avoid any kind of repetition in your composition. You do not want to say the same thing many times. Your reader will become bored and your essay will seem poorly planned. In your body, for example, a body for the topic my favorite subject, you should be clear that you have to write reasons why mathematics is your favorite subject. Each reason should be a different paragraph. So, let's say you have 3 reasons for enjoying mathematics. Each of these should be a separate body paragraph. So, perhaps your first reason is because you enjoy working with numbers. So, that's your first idea linking to the fact that you love mathematics. Therefore, you need to break that down in that one paragraph, saying how you work with numbers. In other words, you explain that point. Remember that the explanation of that one point must stay in that one paragraph. Do not go into the other paragraph talking about the same thing. Also, do not let any points overlap. That means make sure each of your points for loving mathematics are totally different. So your second reason for loving mathematics could be that you know you use it in everyday life. You will need it every day. So you want to be able to use it even when you become an adult. Talk about this for about 6 to 8 lines to complete your paragraph. Remember, one idea per body paragraph. So, if you have 3 reasons for loving mathematics, have 3 body paragraphs for each reason. Do not let them overlap and do not let them be repetitive, meaning they should say totally different things. Another possibility to help you expand on those reasons for loving mathematics would be using examples. You can probably talk about a situation in which you went to the supermarket and you helped your mother calculate her bill using your knowledge of mathematics. This would help to really show your reader that you truly love mathematics, but you also know how to write an essay about your favorite subject. Finally, you have to mention a conclusion. Your conclusion has to be 1 paragraph in length. Remember that paragraph should be about 6 to 8 lines. Your conclusion should not ever present anything new, meaning there should not be an extra point talking about why you love mathematics in your conclusion. The conclusion should simply restate or say another time what was said before. So you are emphasizing the reasons that were mentioned in the body. You are showing your reader why you truly love mathematics, and perhaps you are restating in different words the reasons that you gave in the body. Another useful statement for your conclusion could be something like, although I enjoy language arts and science, mathematics will always be my favorite subject. Saying something like that gives your story a nice ending and re-emphasizes the point that out of all subjects, mathematics is your favorite. Remember, when talking about your introduction, you simply need to introduce your topic and very simply state what you are going to talk about in the body. The body is where you expand on all your ideas. Keep in mind that 1 idea per paragraph is what you need for your body. So, if you have 3 reasons supporting your topic, use 3 body paragraphs, 1 reason per paragraph. Finally, your conclusion should not state anything new. Your conclusion should emphasize what was said before and give your story a nice ending that leaves the reader satisfied and thinking about your story. Once you have established the differences with these 3 main parts of your story, the topic will not matter. Once you know what you are required to write, you can be given any topic and you will be confident and sure that you have written a very clear and very interesting essay. Thank you for choosing PTI BetterGradesFast.com.